In this video, we're going to tackle a coding problem related to a tree traversal that a viewer encountered while working on LeetCode. The viewer was trying to solve problem 590, which required implementing a postorder traversal of an N-ary tree. They shared their code and mentioned encountering an error in a large test case, making it difficult to debug. The proposed solution involved using a stack to perform a postorder traversal of the tree. The code attempted to handle the traversal and node removal based on certain conditions and utilized a Boolean flag to control the process. However, the approach had a flaw in comparing node values instead of node pointers, which could lead to incorrect behavior. Additionally, there was unnecessary repetition in the code structure, making it harder to follow and maintain. To improve the solution, we made some adjustments to the code provided by the viewer. We optimized the traversal logic to ensure correct node processing and removal from the stack. By comparing node pointers and streamlining the algorithm, we were able to simplify the code and make it more efficient. These modifications aimed to enhance the clarity and effectiveness of the postorder traversal implementation for N-ary trees. In conclusion, we addressed a challenging problem related to tree traversal by refining the solution provided by the viewer. By optimizing the code and focusing on key aspects of the traversal process, we improved the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the postorder traversal algorithm for N-ary trees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding content. Remember, coding is all about continuous learning and improvement. Keep exploring new challenges, and happy coding!